Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check both devices support Bluetooth 4, 2 or higher, because newer stacks handle higher throughput. Next, update firmware and your OS to fix protocol inefficiencies. Once done, remove old paired devices to reduce handshaking. Enable Bluetooth tethering on the host and make sure Wi-Fi sharing is off so the phone dedicates its link. These initial steps reduce interference and signaling delays, giving you immediate, measurable speed improvements as you move into tuning. Now optimize the link. Choose the Bluetooth PAN profile if available, because PAN uses efficient packet aggregation for internet sharing. DUN can fallback but is slower. Reduce competing radios by disabling Wi-Fi and NFC on both ends, and quit background apps that hammer the link. Move devices into a 1 to 3 meter line of sight. Walls and microwave ovens add packet loss and retries. Also, set the host to high-performance power mode so it doesn't downclock the radio during transfer. For final speed gains, tweak network stack parameters. Raise the MTU and increase the TCP receive window on the client so you send larger packets and reduce ACK frequency. This decreases overhead. If performance remains below what you need, switch to USB tethering or Wi-Fi tether as they typically outperform Bluetooth. If things go wrong, repair the Bluetooth pairing, clear the Bluetooth cache, and reboot both devices. This resolves stubborn state issues. One quick troubleshooting tip: test with a different phone to isolate host versus client problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.